A goal without a plan is just a wish. Gradient's plans are really ambitious. They are supported by a big team of like-minded people, scientists and professionals, successfully promoting microseismic technologies in Russia and around the world. Since 2005, Gradient established as a geophysical service company providing passive microseismic investigations during oil and gas prospecting, exploration and development. The team has developed microseismic technologies for the investigation and exploration of hydrocarbon deposits, as well as various types of microseismic monitoring that are successfully used in the oil and gas industry. The company performs a full range of operations, from field to office works, and issues a final report to the customer. Gradient provides services to leading oil and gas companies in Russia, former CIS states, republics of Belarus, India, Ecuador, Colombia, and Bulgaria. Its customer base includes such companies as Tatneft, Rosneft, Lukoil, Gazprom, Belarusneft, ONGC, India, and many others.
Пришли мы к этому не сразу.
It has taken time to achieve this. In the early days, the task of proving the effectiveness of our technologies at technical meetings was undertaken by the founders of our company, Nikolai Shabalin and Evgeny Beryaltsev. Let me introduce them to you. Good afternoon. Can you tell us a little bit about the history of the company?
Хорошо. Расскажем.
В начале 2000-х актуальным была задача.
There was a need to develop a mobile, cost-effective and high-performance technology to rival existing methods. As a result of our research and development, we received a patent for microseismic studies of small deposits. One of the main problems we aim to address is the separation of water and oil-saturated formations. There is a very slight difference between the density of water and oil, but what helps us is the fact that the oil sands have much better absorption properties than water-wet reservoirs due to increased oil compressibility. During compression and tension, kinetic energy is converted into thermal energy, and absorption occurs. Now, the younger generation of professionals have taken on our ideas to develop. Let's see what they do. The company's biggest asset is its team of professionals. The company has about 40 employees with a variety of backgrounds, such as geophysics, geology, mathematics, mechanics, physics, programming, and electrical engineering, including 6 PhDs. The company's team has developed and successfully applied low-frequency seismic sounding. This is an environmentally friendly technology of prospecting hydrocarbon deposits. This method has been used to study more than 150 areas. Success rate of drilling performed based on LFS recommendations has exceeded 85%. Every year, Gradient looks to address more industry issues. In 2011, a brand new microseismic event location method called full wave location was developed based on numerical modeling. This method successfully addresses the task of monitoring various natural and man-made processes associated with the development of hydrocarbon deposits. Numerical modeling, processing and interpretation are performed using a high-performance computer cluster, which was ranked among the top 50 supercomputers in Russia and the CIS states from 2015 to 2017, and also earned high praise from AMD and NVIDIA. Today, our company uses passive microseismic methods to address a very extensive range of tasks, from prospecting and exploration operations across all stages of geological exploration to solving various process-related issues in the oil and gas field development. These are namely identification and delineation of oil and gas reservoirs, including non-anticlinal accumulations, detection of anomalies in the section, such as zones with abnormally high formation pressure or man-made gas accumulations above gas fields, in order to reduce the risk of accidents during drilling, major repairs, or decommissioning of wells. Assessment of the dynamics, size, and direction of crack propagation in the process of hydraulic fracturing. Identification of the area and direction of injected water movement during reservoir flooding. Identification of the current position of the combustion front and the direction of its movement during the deposit development using the in situ combustion method. Identification of natural active fracture zones in the section with the development of maps reflecting the distribution of fracture directions over the area of the reservoir studied. These are only a few of the challenges that can be overcome using microseismic studies. In reality, their number is much larger, and the company continuously strives to develop and grow the solutions to these issues. At this very moment, a pre-approval meetings on one of the sites is taking place at the conference hall, so I'd like to invite you to join this meeting and to see the work process with your own eyes.
The
main thing is that the result is obtained with high reliability and the required accuracy. Colleagues, I propose to finish the discussion and go to the pre-defense of results. The main value of the Analytics Center is well-coordinated teamwork, the desire to address new challenges and actively develop the applied technologies. We are constantly improving data processing and interpretation algorithms to ensure that our customers receive the most informative and reliable results. Employees constantly update their knowledge by participating in conferences, seminars, and masterclasses. The company has implemented an integrated quality, environment, labor protection, and industrial safety management system in accordance with international standards. The credibility of the research findings has been proved by the results of drilling and testing in wells, as well as extensive positive feedback from customers. Gradient's success is built on the talents of a big team. The vector set within the team leads to the creation of new successful projects where people trust each other and show a high degree of mutual support and professionalism, winning and receiving the highest praise for their activity all over the world.